In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer crypto from Binance to Trust Wallet. Now, as you can see, I have opened my Trust Wallet inside my phone. So yeah, that's what you need, guys, too. So you need to open your Trust Wallet so that we can get the Bitcoin address from Trust Wallet, so that we can send any coin. Like if you want to get, for example, if you want to send Bitcoin, you can get the Bitcoin Bitcoin address from your Trust Wallet. If you want to send Ethereum, you can get Ethereum address inside your Trust Wallet app. So I hope it makes sense. So what you need to do, guys, you need to log into your Binance account. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is to click on wallet in the top right, and then select the second option, fiat and spot. Now next thing you need to do, guys, you need to select the coin that you are trying to send to your Trust Wallet. So for example, if you are trying to send, for example, Ethereum, you need, next to Ethereum, you will see here withdraw. Okay, you will need to click on withdraw, and then as you can see here, guys, it says here address. So you can get this address inside your Trust Wallet. Go to Trust Wallet, open it. I'm going to open it right now. As you can see, I'm going to add here the code. So as you can see, this is my Trust Wallet app. I have opened it inside my laptop, so you can do the same steps on your phone. Now you want to click on receive, okay, and then you want to select the coin that you are trying to receive by Binance. So if you are trying to send Ethereum, you want to find here Ethereum and click on it, and this is your wallet address. This is it. Okay, this is it. And what you need, guys, you need to click on copy, and as you can see, the copy address, the address has been copied. Now after you copy this address, make sure it's Ethereum, and you want to paste that address here where it says address inside your Binance account. Okay, and network, you want to go with this one, Ethereum. Very important, guys, don't select any other networks, otherwise you are going to lose your funds for no reason. So you want to go with Ethereum. As you can see, this is what you need, and that's it. And here you wanna like add the amount that you are trying to transfer, for example 1 or whatever. And then after that, guys, you need to click on withdraw. As you can see, click on withdraw, confirm, and that's it, guys. You have successfully transferred Ethereum from your Binance to Trust Wallet. If you are trying to transfer Bitcoin, then you need to find Bitcoin inside your Binance, like I did, just like wallet, fiat and spot. And yeah, you just want to select Bitcoin. Okay, you just want to select Bitcoin instead of Ethereum. Select Bitcoin and click on withdraw, and that's it. You want to get the address and make sure you select the correct network. Okay, so if you're sending Bitcoin, you want to go with Bitcoin.